Ceret Coig Minichin. That is all of the sleep that I had last night. Agus ní sé fé me na dalchan fóst ad. I feel as though today is going to be an absolutely manic day, just run on absolute delirium and probably a lot of caffeine, and the two of those mixed together, not good. It's currently around 3 o'clock in the morning, so I'm nervous. I'm nervous about today. I'm so annoyed at myself because I had packed some Bioma Milky Toner in my bag because I was going to use it this morning because my skin is so dry. Crack me on some backpacking. Agus obviously it was above the 100ml limit, so they had to chuck it out, which is really disappointing because I love my Bioma Milky Toner.
No.
Hello, it is, oh my goodness, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I have a couple of hours until I have to get ready. In fact, I haven't even told you what I'm doing. I am in London because I was invited to Downing Street, which is surreal. It's actually not even the first time I've been invited, a humble brag, but I couldn't go last time because I was too busy doing other things. So I am going for a Burns night reception at Downing Street, and I am just so nosy. I really want to see behind the door. All these important historical people, look at me with my ears on, all these people who have made the biggest decisions for our lives and past generations, have lived in this house, and you're inviting me to your house, then yes, I absolutely want to see what it's like. I want to know what toilet roll you use. I want to know what kind of cheap wine you're offering me. I'm just a girl and I'm nosy. I want to see. Anyway, because it is Burns reception, I have picked a tartan. Like, it's not a tartan, it's not my tartan, but I'm hoping it is just a nice enough generic tartan that won't offend anyone, and you know, grey, has pink and blue in it, and I also bought a teal blue cardigan, button up top to wear with it, and I have a neck scarf, and I think just because I want to do the wrong shoe theory, I have taken some sparkly shoes, and we'll see if it works. Honestly, because the skirt is grey, I was a little bit worried that if I wore a pump or a loafer and if I wore just a black jumper, it would look a bit schooly. I would look a bit, I don't know, I just didn't think it was right. I didn't think it would work. So I'm going to wear these sparkly heels, of which I love. They're also a kitten heel, not my favourite, but on these, I actually love them. I really do love them. But as I told you earlier, I've had about 45 minutes sleep, so I'm rambling right now. I don't have time to sleep. I'm going to have more caffeine, and you'll have to excuse me. I don't actually know if I could string a Gaelic sentence together. I struggle enough with English at the moment because my mind is just, I am so tired. But this is what stress does to me. I'm not hungry, I'm not tired, and then I suffer through what I need to do. So, yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go to Downing Street. That is the most bizarre thing that I did not expect to be seeing. I'm really hoping that I can take a little bit of sneaky footage to show you.